improvised musical podcast with Zach and Jess.
I don't wanna wait for this sound check to be over. I want to record right now and just live stream.
I don't want to wait for this check to be over. Oh, yeah, that's better.
There she is.
Oh, there you are, Peter.
And Scott's quieter already. Do, 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 do.
I'm just a small town girl in love with the boy next door. But the boy next door
Is in love with the refrigerator.
just a boy in a fridge.
Still boy in a fridge.
A boy and a fridge. I don't want to wait for that fridge to be over. I want to know right now
What's in that fridge that makes that boy love him?
I don't want to wait for that fridge to be over. I want to know right now
What's in that fridge?
I heard it's 2 containers of noodles from the past week and a half a pizza he's been waiting to eat.
I heard it's Chobani full of probiotics and also muscle milk in various flavors.
I don't want to wait for that fridge to be over.
I want to know right now what's in that fridge.
I don't want to wait for that fridge to be over. I want to know right now what's in that fridge.
Makes that boy love him.
What's in the fridge?
As Nicolas Cage screamed, what's in the fridge?
Great, should we go?
Yeah.
Should we keep that?
Sure.
Should that be in it? Let's keep it. Let's keep it. I don't want to wait.
All right. Hey, that was the beginning.
I do love when we do that, as confusing as it is.
Yeah, sure. No, the song about
A boy who's in love with a fridge.
So listen, this is Off Book, the improvised musical podcast, where we do sound checks of the theme from Dawson's Creek, but about what if a boy was in love with a refrigerator?
Yeah, and Joey next door just wants to know what she has to do to get Dawson to notice
And
her.
listen, we do all sorts of calibrations doing these sound checks. Jessica tells me to stop wiggling the table that one of the cameras is on with my feet. And I, of course, am thinking, well, surely it doesn't matter because this isn't in it. But now we find out it is in it.